January the 8th, 2025. We are in southeastern Kentucky. We've had a snow and an ice storm, and we've got more on the way. You can see right here how deep it is with my foot, and everything's frozen. Now, you know, it's nothing like the Midwest or up in Canada or, you know, Montana, Wyoming, and that sort of thing. But for us, this is usually about as big of a storm as we typically get, along with having the possibility of another 8 to 12 inches this weekend. And it's, for us, going to get very, very cold. But we don't typically feed our main herd of cows, but just, that's Blackbird. Just where it's so cold, we are just giving them just a little bit of a snack this morning with some grain. And we've got our old rolls of hay from this spring that we didn't put up because we bale graze in here. So we're going to set out several rolls today and get the frozen outside layer off, and then the inside is fine. But you can watch the cows as they come running in. Now, we've actually got our heifers in here as well, just because with the storm, it was just easier for us to feed everything together right now. But it sure is pretty this time of year.